The Central Pacific Jupiter was a steam locomotive built in 1868 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Its origin and development timeline began with the introduction of the Union Pacific Railroad's Transcontinental Line, which aimed to connect the east and west coasts of the United States. Notable innovations on the Jupiter included its 440 design, featuring a single leading axle, no side rods, and a high-pressure boiler. The locomotive played an important role in the completion of the Union Pacific Railroad's Transcontinental Line, particularly during the Golden Spike ceremony in Promontory Summit, Utah, where it pulled the final spike into place. The Jupiter also traversed the first transcontinental railroad, which connected Omaha, Nebraska to Sacramento, California, and featured notable routes such as the Pony Express route and the Overland Trail.